So guys, welcome back in our LinkedIn marketing course, and this is the first video, and this is going to be the introduction kind of video where I'm going to show you the potential of LinkedIn and what exactly the LinkedIn platform is. I'm going to explain you all these things, right? So stay tuned with the video, and this will help you to decide whether to pursue this course or not. So let's start with the first slide, and that is the first question, which is what is LinkedIn? So, in simple terms, LinkedIn is a social media platform. If you read this definition once, this small definition, you will get to know perfectly or exactly get to know that what the LinkedIn platform is. So, if I read it, that LinkedIn is an American business employment oriented online social media platform. It is primarily used for professional networking and career development, and it allows job seekers to connect with employers. Even if you are an employer, you can connect with job seekers, you can connect with other business owners, you can connect with the top level management of the companies, right? So these things can be done only on LinkedIn, right? You can't use Instagram or Facebook or Twitter to connect with the top level management of the company or to perform the activities which I have mentioned right now. Right now, let's go to the second slide. I hope you understood that what exactly the LinkedIn platform is. Now, obviously, the LinkedIn platform is a social media. So the second question will be, what is social media marketing? So as I already mentioned that LinkedIn is a social media platform. So obviously we are going to learn how to do social media marketing in this particular course as well. Although there are many other things, but social media marketing is also the part of this course. Now, in a simple term, social media marketing is like promoting your product or services on the social media website. This is what the social media marketing is. If you read this sentence, it says social media marketing is the use of social media platform and websites to promote a product or services, and that's what we are going to do, or simply we are going to teach you in this particular course, right? How you can use LinkedIn to sell or to promote your product or services, right? The second point is social media is predominantly used by advertisers to offer product and services. As I already told you that advertisers promote their product or services on social media, right? Now the third point is knowledge about social media marketing is very necessary for that person who want to start his work in future. Yes, so if you want to do social media marketing, or if you have an offline business and you want to bring it online, obviously you have to know what social media net marketing is, right? So it is very compulsory to learn social media marketing, and that's why we have added the proper module of social media marketing in this course. Now the fourth point is actually a kind of fact slide where we have added the facts about LinkedIn. So let's read these facts one by one. So the first fact is 60.1% of the users are in the age group of 20 to 30 age, and 19.2% of the users are in the age group of 18 to 24. So this is the traffic of LinkedIn, right? Around 60% of the users are in the age bracket of 25 to 34. So you get the idea for future that whom you want to target and how you can target them, right? Now the second fact is over 25% of US adults are using LinkedIn. Yes, around 25% of adults in the US are using LinkedIn. Now the third point is in October 2020 there were 14 million job listed on LinkedIn. Yes, 14 million is a huge number. So if you are a job seeker, you are searching for a job, you can directly go to LinkedIn, create one profile, and you can apply for the job according to your qualifications, right? Now the fourth point is according to LinkedIn, over 100 million job applications are sent each month. Yes, and that's true, right? Over 100 million job applications are getting sent each month. Then the fifth point is 49 million people use LinkedIn to search for job each week. Yes, so these are some facts which you can just go through so that you can get the idea that how big the LinkedIn platform is, right? Now I'm going to give you some more extra data about the LinkedIn platform so that you can get idea whether to pursue this course or not, right? Now the data is LinkedIn annual revenue from 2010 to 2022. So if you read this line, LinkedIn revenue increased by 43% in 2021 to around 11.5 billion. So this is the huge amount. And if you read this line, that despite the lockdown and COVID, LinkedIn's revenue kept on increasing. So this is the platform that doesn't got affected due to lockdown and any COVID kind of thing, right? You can see the graph that this is just increasing day by day, year by year. So this is the data of 2010 to 2022. As you can see here, in 2022 it is a bit low, but yeah, overall it is getting higher. Now if we go to the next slide, here we do have LinkedIn's quarterly users from 2010 to 2022, and as you can see the graph is going upward only. And if you read this point, that LinkedIn reached 822 million registered users in Q1 2022. However, it has not reported how many of those users are active daily or monthly, but the point is LinkedIn reached 822 million registered users. Yes, and seriously the number is increasing. Now let's go to the next slide, and this is the comparison between LinkedIn and other social media apps, that who has highest number of users. So obviously Facebook, the application social media app, has the highest number of users, then followed by YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, WeChat, QQ. This is I think the China based social media platform. Then we do have LinkedIn, but the thing is LinkedIn's user have more potential. LinkedIn as a platform have more potential than the whole Facebook's user base, right? Because the users that LinkedIn holds is totally professional. They have good earnings and hence they have good buying power as well. So this is why LinkedIn has the good amount of potential. Now let's go to the next slide, and this is why you should use LinkedIn for marketing and advertising. So I have mentioned some points over here so that you can decide why you should learn LinkedIn marketing and paid advertising, right? So the first point is mostly professional uses LinkedIn. As I already told you, that only professional people like employers or employees or the top management of any company uses LinkedIn platform. Then the second point is all companies HR top level management use LinkedIn. Yes, so if you are a job seeker, you are searching for job, obviously you can go on a LinkedIn, on the LinkedIn platform, and sign up, create profile, and you can approach them. Then the third point is LinkedIn audience have more buying power. So yes, this point I already mentioned, that LinkedIn's audience is totally professional. They have good amount of good earning sources, and obviously if they have good earning sources, they will have good buying power as well. Now the fourth point is LinkedIn is used as a job search tool for company and job seekers. Yes, if you are a company, you can search for the employees, and if you are a job seeker, you can search for the good opportunities on LinkedIn, right? Now let's go to the ninth slide, and this is visit to lead conversion rate on LinkedIn. So this will help you to understand the potential of LinkedIn, right? So if we see the rate of visit to lead conversion of Twitter, it is only 0.69%. And if we see the Facebook's visit to lead conversion rate, that is 0.77%. And on the other hand, LinkedIn has 2.74% visit to lead conversion rate, which means if 100 people are visiting your website through LinkedIn platform, there's a high chance, or there's a chances of 2 to 3 people will convert on your website if they visit your website from LinkedIn, right? So this is what the potential of LinkedIn. If you read this line, that LinkedIn 277% more effective for lead generation than Facebook and Twitter. Yes. Now in the 10th slide, we are just going to conclude this video, and I've just mentioned that what are the things you are going to learn in this course. So we'll be starting from the introduction, as this is the introduction video, then profile creation, page creation, description writing. Obviously you have to know how to write, because there are many places we have to write on LinkedIn, and if we are writing some compelling words, compelling lines, headlines, even on the LinkedIn ads, obviously we'll be able to get some conversions, we'll be able to get some good results, right? After that, we'll be showing you how to create post for LinkedIn, which can even make you on popular on LinkedIn, right? Now also formal communication is also important, as I have already told you that professional peoples only use LinkedIn, right? So you should know how to communicate formally. Then advertisement is also covered in this particular course. Then B2B leads, how you can generate B2B leads, and tons of other things are there. So I hope you got the point and you understood that how potential or how useful the LinkedIn platform is, and I hope you pursue this course. So with that said, all the best. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.